To stop apps that are running in the background on Android, I'm going to show you two ways, guys. The first and simplest way is to click here on the phone's recent button, the three lines, okay? Or often, depending on the phone, the square, in this case here, the three lines. By clicking, the list of open apps will be shown there, guys, as you can see. To close these apps here, I just have to swipe up. I can swipe up, you can swipe. There, I close them. That's the first way. Let's go to the second way. The second way is for you to open settings. Here in settings, you scroll down, you can scroll down and you'll look for the apps option, okay? You can look for apps. In this case, it's here. I'll click it. Once clicked, the list of apps you have installed on your phone will be shown there. What are you going to do? You're going to click on that app. For example, I'm going to click on this app here. You click and choose the app. After choosing the app, you come to this page. On this page here, you click on the battery option, okay? Click on battery, and as you can see here, this app is configured to continue consuming battery data without restriction, even when it's in the background, okay? So this ends up harming your Android's battery. You can restrict this, okay? So you can restrict it so that when the app is running in the background, it doesn't consume as much battery. I can check this option. As you can see here, you might end up not receiving notifications or having a delay in notifications. And there's also an option below here, guys, which I don't recommend much, but you can, if you don't need the app much, you can simply click to force stop the app. So you can force stop the app, but it might cause errors on your device. So you have those two options there. I hope I've helped anyone who wanted to know what to do to stop apps that are running in the background on Android. If I helped, help me to subscribe to the channel.